On today's body cam, we're checking out sheriff's daughter gives police the fight of their life.
5th, 2026. Officers were dispatched to a residence after neighbors reported hearing what sounded like a possible domestic incident.
Sheriff's Department, come out with your hands up.
Sheriff's Office,
come out with your hands up. Come out with your hands up. Hands up.
Hands up.
Show me your hands. What's going on, man? What's going on?
Take me.
What happened tonight? That's all we're trying to.
Take me. Take me.
Hey, where's McKenna? I'm not worried about the dog. What's
You better be worried about the dog.
Where's McKenna?
Don't go for the knife.
I'm not.
Get on the ground. Get on the ground or you're gonna be tased.
Get on the ground.
Get on the ground. I don't want to have to tase you. Come on, dude.
I already been tased twice as
Get on the ground.
Get on the ground now. Lay down on your stomach on the f***ing ground.
careful, because his hand is broken.
Okay, well, lay down.
Get on your stomach.
My hand is broken. Don't shoot my dog.
We're not gonna shoot your dog. Roki.
Now it's don't shoot the dog, but you just said they need to be worried about the dog. The officer said, we not worried about the dog. The guy says, well, you need to be worried. And now you scared for the dog.
Lay on your stomach.
Prado, I'm sorry, but
Get on your stomach.
Get on your stomach right now.
Flat on your stomach.
Hands behind your back.
I can't.
Hands behind your back.
Okay, careful with his hand.
Okay, just slowly put it behind your back.
It's broken. It's broken. It's broken. It's broken.
Okay, put your other hand behind your back.
Put them on your back.
Do it.
I got mine double locked. You got a cuff key on you? Yeah. I'm gonna go check out inside.
Prado.
McKenna!
She's not in there. She's not in there.
Where's she at then?
I don't know.
Why is there blood on the door?
In my hand.
Did you cut yourself?
Yeah.
Or
You can't go in there. You can't go in there.
yes, I can.
No, you can't. No, you can't. You don't have a search warrant.
I don't need one.
Hey.
McKenna!
Jenna.
McKenna! Bathroom's clear. We're clear. We're clear. I looked through the crack. I didn't see nothing. I don't think she's here. I heard. Do you hear somebody? I just heard somebody outside.
That was a cat.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I don't think she's here. Huh? I think so.
Where's McKenna?
Can you see if dispatch can try to get a hold of McKenna? She's not in here.
Can I grab a pack of smokes?
They should be on the counter.
Can I grab them? Is there a lighter sitting with them?
I seen the cigarettes right when you get in the door.
Is there a lighter right there too?
There should be, yes.
Okay.
All right.
Look, I called them myself.
No, I know you did. We're trying to figure out what's going on. But when you come out and you got a knife and you start walking towards it, that's when we're gonna have issues, right? We're not here to.
I'm having fucking mental help.
I know you are, and we're not here to hurt you or nothing. We just need to figure out what's going on, all right? We just need to know what's going on and where McKenna is.
It's my girlfriend. She makes my fucking life hell.
Well, you don't know where she's at tonight?
I know exactly where she's at. It doesn't matter.
Well, can we start by you
It
telling us
doesn't matter.
that? It does matter.
It doesn't matter because it's my girlfriend.
It matters. We need to talk to her and make sure she's
I
okay.
can't talk to her
Why?
because I care about her. You know, you're taking me.
We don't even know what happened, so how can we can't take you on anything if we don't know what happened. That's why we're here so you can tell us what happened. Just have a seat. And
Take me. Just take me, please.
we
Sit
can't
down.
take you for something we don't know what's going on.
Just sit down on the
Have
patio,
a seat,
dude.
take a deep breath, and we'll get through this.
No, there's no. I know where she's at, but you can't get her.
We're not going to get her.
See, stuff like that sounds like, I know this is a regular body cam video, but those types of statements, man, this could actually turn very, into one of them true crime stories, one of them more in-depth ones that, maybe Dr. Insanity and people like that got to cover, because I know exactly where she at, but you can't get her, and all types of stuff like that make it sound like, wait, hold on. What'd you do with her?
We just need to talk to her.
Hey, you're not gonna get her.
If you can just tell us where she is and we can talk to her, then we can figure this out, and nobody has to go to jail, nothing. We just got to figure it
Then
out.
I'm never getting out.
Kyle, I'm gonna take that a little farther away. He keeps eyeing it.
He ain't gonna make it to it.
No, I'm just. Maybe get out of his sight.
I tell you the truth. I tell you the truth.
I appreciate that.
All right, there we
Go
go.
next door and go and get McKenna.
Right.
The Heather's over there. McKenna's over there right now.
Is
Okay,
there
which house can you point me to?
The next one.
next one where, man?
Which one? Behind it? Okay, I'll go try to talk to him then.
Be careful. Be careful. Be
Is there
careful.
how do I get to it? Do I
Close the phone.
close the phone?
Close the phone and watch him, please.
Yeah.
No, I'm telling you. No, that's a gangster.
Gotcha. That makes more sense why you don't want to talk to him.
I'm scared of him.
That's what we're trying to.
He beats the shit out of you.
Well, we're here, so like that's not gonna happen.
Officers, I'm gonna look this. This is my dad's lawn.
Okay.
No, get the fuck off my lawn.
And we have reason to be.
Hey, my boyfriend?
Okay, and we have reason to be here.
No.
Wait. Damn, she already pushing them. Wait, I want to see how much time went past. So it's 2:50. Let me see. Oh, only a minute. Oh, okay.
My boyfriend?
Okay, and we have reason to be here.
No. My boyfriend? My dad?
No.
Mine? No. The fuck off my lawn now! Hey!
She's nuts.
Hold on!
Let's go. Come on. Hey. Stop.
Damn, you might have to put the dogs down, man. The dogs ain't even acting right, man.
Hey, stop.
I'm gonna shoot your f***ing dog.
I never called you! Nobody called you!
Yes, I did. That's why we're here.
Stop! Who the f*** is that to? My dog? Oh, but stop it! I didn't do so. Who?
Did you just shoot my dog?
He didn't get shot, but you.
Now! Now! I didn't call somebody. Call nobody. I was running on my dog, bro.
You're gonna get tased. You understand?
I don't care.
Pull over now.
Look, the black dog, he got the message. Look, see, it's the light skinned one, man. The light skinned one, the light skinned dog was still. Listen, the black dog, he got that warning shot. He got himself together.
I never called you. Nobody called you.
Yes, I did. That's why we're here.
Stop! Stop! Hey! Who the f*** is that to? My dog? Oh, but stop it! I didn't do so. Who?
But look, the dog, he run inside. He not interfering no more. He got the message.
Did you just shoot my dog?
He didn't get shot, but you.
Now! Now! I didn't call somebody. Call nobody. I was running on my dog, bro.
You're gonna
Yep,
get
he
tased.
just
You
chilling.
understand?
I don't care.
Pull over now.
My dad's a sheriff. He's a canine sheriff. He's a canine sheriff.
He's back.
My dad's a canine.
Shut the store.
My dad is a canine sheriff. Nobody called you. I didn't call you. My dad's a canine sheriff. I didn't call you.
Well, now you're going
I
to
was
jail
looking
too.
for my dog. I'm gonna. My dad is a canine.
Go.
Hey, look at me. Baby on top. Hey, girl.
Hello, baby.
Hey, little
We'll
baby.
put her in the car.
Hey, little baby. Hey, little baby. Hey, look at me. Hey, baby, look at me. Look at me.
Did you shoot my f***ing dog?
Look at me.
Did you shoot my f***ing dog? Did you shoot my f***ing dog?
No, I told you no. His dog is fine.
Don't take it. Ah, she didn't do nothing wrong.
Just
Right now, he's a canine operator.
Yeah, so am I.
Canine drug operator.
So am I.
A canine sheriff not afraid.
So am I.
Alright, good.
Get in.
More than evidence. Nobody calls you.
Get the dog out.
Nobody calls you. Hey. Kenna! I love you! Kenna!
We're gonna have one female 1095.
Funny, wasn't he just saying that she makes his life a living hell? Now it's I love you and this and that. And man, listen. Name dropping your pops does not help. Okay, it's more embarrassing than anything. You know, he's gonna have to go to work, and now his coworker is gonna be talking behind his back in the break room, like, "Yo, did you see John's daughter, man? She acting like this, man. We had to pull up to her house, man. Her house was filthy." Yeah. Who was that? Oh, John's daughter? Yeah, John. Yeah, like I couldn't believe it. Oh my God. They act completely different, you know? Man, I don't know. John's daughter, she probably got that from her mama, because I know John. We went down fishing. We go to our fishing camping trip all the time. John don't act like that, man. Fuck, oh man, I wonder what her daughter is up to, man. She's off her rocker, probably on them drugs again. Feel bad for him.
Stop up.
Both of you.
Going face to the ground if you don't stop.
I already know. You guys already buckled my f***ing name last time. You already got a lawsuit. Be careful. Be careful. Be careful.
If you don't chill out, you're going face first to the ground.
I don't care. I don't care. I don't care. I want the face first.
Put it in here.
Be careful. No, stop.
Where's he going?
At least for an eval. Yeah, at least for an eval.
Yeah.
No, I'm not going for eval.
You can go into a car for now.
Yeah, you can go. It needs to go to a car. Let's go.
Walk or we're gonna fucking.
Walker, I'm gonna drive
Get your
study.
fat ass off of me.
Shut the f up and let's go.
That's not how you talk to people with this.
At this point, that's how I'm talking to you. Yep.
Didn't have to be
I'm
like
gonna
this,
have to go to
dude.
the hospital.
Me too. I got bit on the ass.
Yeah, I got better. I'm gushing right now. I gotta unlock it. Hold him for a second.
Yep. Get in the car. Get in the car.
Kenna, I love you.
She can't hear.
Ow! Get out!
Get in the car. Get these fucking dogs out of here. Get in the car.
I love you, Kenna.
Put your fucking foot in the car.
Push it up.
Here's one. Which one did you do it to?
The tan one. I don't think I hit him.
Did you shoot her?
He told you. See, the black dog, he's like, okay. You know, the tan one, boy. See, it always be them light-skinned dogs, man. Listen, them light-skinned ones, man.
Hey,
I shot, but I don't think I hit him.
Tan dog.
I don't think he got hit, but I don't know.
say the black one's right here.
Yeah, the tan one was in the yard.
Come here. Come here. Come on. Come on. Come here. It's okay. Yeah, it's okay.
Is that dog over here? Huh? He seemed fine, right? I don't think I hit him. Yeah, I don't think I hit him. I just scared him. Well, if we don't find him, we don't find him.
All right, black dog's in the house. Gonna have to get. There it is.
Come on, baby, let's go.
Come on. Come on.
Come on, let's go.
Come on.
Come on, let's go in the house.
Come on. Come on. I don't see blood on it.
Come on, let's go.
Come on. Come on.
Come on. Good puppy.
Good. Good girl. Boy,
Come on,
girl,
let's go.
whatever.
Come on, get in the house. Come on.
Come on.
Come on. Hey, hey.
Come here. Come on.
Come on, let's go. I know. Yeah. Hospital or jail?
Probably gonna have to go to the hospital for both of them first.
What's up? Nobody called you. Nobody called you. Lost on your motherfucking hands. No domestic, no nothing. Tase me. What's up? I'm pissed. I'm pissed. I did nothing but look for my motherfucking dog right now. So what the f is up? What happened to my motherfucking boyfriend? What happened to him? What happened to him? What happened to him?
Man, I haven't seen John's daughter since she graduated high school. I thought she was going to college up there Yeah, for engineering, wasn't she? Yeah, damn. Well, what? She's with that guy? Wow.
What happened to him? What happened to him? Can you tell me?
He's in the car right there in front of us.
17 advised him I have a decent dog bite to my left eye, too.
Good.
You're lucky your dog didn't get shot.
That's what the you get. You little mother.
You them. I actually have a lawyer. I paid $50,000 for him. Had him for 2 years. You them. Suck my mother from the back. My dad's an actual sheriff. You celebrity. Oh, I'm pissed, dude. I got a lawyer. Oh, I'ma love it. I got work for y'all. Oh, guess we got a lawsuit. Oh, and the public defender already said one of y'all. And number 18 already got a lawsuit. That's what the public defender said. Number 18 already got a lawsuit. Called it. The neighbors, that's why everybody threw dogs on the window. And that ain't a law.
Who'd you shoot at?
The tan dog.
Oh.
He's fine. He didn't get hit.
Are you sure?
I checked him. I checked him and he's fine.
Shot at her?
Yes, she was biting. She's fine. She didn't get hit.
You positive?
100%. I promise you she didn't.
They've probably shot your.
I just told you she's not.
Better hope not.
Is that a threat?
Yeah, it is.
Okay, that's aggravated assault.
My dad owns a property. He never did shit on y'all. He literally said, we're all going to bed, we're all going to... He owns the property. So what the f*** y'all doing on commercial ass property? Lawsuit! Lawsuit! He looked it up. It's a lawsuit! What badge number are you?
Well, can you shut up for 5 seconds so I can tell you? 16.
16. Thank you.
As soon as we get that car, I'm gonna punch you in the face.
All right, let's keep stacking up the charges.
Stacking up, make a sandwich. You ain't shit but a with a badge. Does it feel good? You shot at a dog today.
Yeah, you arrested the wrong person. You could have arrested him. You couldn't have arrested me because I yelled and screamed. You didn't have to arrest me. What's your badge? What's your name? Because you have to by law. What's your name? What's your badge?
I already told you.
Oh, no, do it again. By law, by badge. Oh, I actually am going to harass you. Because by law, by badge, I know for a fact.
Okay, and I already told you, so I don't have to repeat myself.
By law, by badge, my dad is sheriff. Answer it, dude. Answer it. All right, you done.
What's your name? What's your badge?
Wittig BU17. Wittig BU17. Yeah, we're gonna go get checked out, right?
Where's McKenna?
She ain't here yet. Right this way, dude.
Yeah, lawsuit right now.
I
Yeah,
ain't got time for this.
You got to do content for that. They already told me.
The woman was charged with aggravated battery, threatening a public official, and 2 counts of resisting a peace officer. The man was charged with aggravated assault, aggravated battery, threatening a public official, and disorderly conduct. Both cases are still pending with no conviction. The woman also has a prior arrest for assault and battery from 2025.